Welcome back to Celebrities in History. Today, we're diving into 20 unbelievable celebrity events that happened on November 19th throughout history. From iconic births to jaw-dropping moments that shook the entertainment world, we've got the scoop to keep you entertained. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this thrilling journey through time. Number 20. On November 19, 1961, Meg Ryan was born, turning 63 on November 19, 2024. The When Harry Met Sally star remains America's sweetheart. She redefined romantic comedies with her charm and infectious smile. Here's to many more rom-com moments. Number 19. Happy birthday to Jodie Foster, born November 19, 1962. Turning 62 in 2024, the two-time Oscar winner has dazzled us in The Silence of the Lambs and Contact, a child star turned Hollywood powerhouse. Number 18. On November 19, 1990, Milli Vanilli were stripped of their Grammy Award after it was revealed they didn't sing on their album. Girl, you know it's not true. One of music's biggest scandals unfolded. Number 17. Calvin Klein, born November 19, 1942, turns 82 in 2024. The fashion mogul revolutionized the industry with his minimalist designs. His name became synonymous with style and those iconic underwear ads. Number 16. Adam Driver was born on November 19, 1983, turning 41 in 2024. The Star Wars and Marriage Story actor continues to captivate audiences with his intense performances. May the force be with his career. Number 15. On November 19, 2006, the Nintendo Wii was released in North America. Gamers rejoiced, and living rooms became virtual tennis courts overnight. We would like to play. Number 14. Larry King, born November 19, 1933, was a broadcasting legend who passed away at 87 in 2021. With his signature suspenders, he interviewed the world's most fascinating people. He sure kept us tuned in. Number 13. Indira Gandhi, born November 19, 1917, served as India's first and only female prime minister. She was assassinated at age 66 in 1984, a powerful leader whose impact is still felt today. Number 12. Allison Janney, born November 19, 1959, turns 65 in 2024. The West Wing and mom actress has won multiple awards with her sharp wit and commanding presence. She's got the acting chops and then some. Number 11. On November 19, 1863, President Abraham Lincoln delivered the Gettysburg Address. Though not a celebrity in Hollywood, his words became iconic, echoing through history as a defining moment. Number 10. Ted Turner, born November 19, 1938, turns 86 in 2024. The media mogul founded CNN, the first 24-hour news channel, changing how the world consumes news. Talk about making headlines. Number 9. On November 19, 2004, National Treasure premiered, starring Nicolas Cage. The adventure film had us all searching for hidden clues and treasure maps. Time to steal the Declaration of Independence. Number 8. Jack Welch, born November 19, 1935, was the CEO of General Electric and passed away at 84 in 2020. A business icon whose management style was both praised and critiqued. He certainly left his mark. Number 7. Ann Curry, born November 19, 1956, turns 68 in 2024. The journalist and TV personality has covered global events with compassion and integrity. News with a heart. Number 6. On November 19, 1954, Sammy Davis Jr. lost his left eye in a car accident. Despite this, he continued to dazzle as a member of the Rat Pack. Talk about resilience and talent. Number 5. On November 19, 2010, Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows, Part 1 was released. Fans lined up to witness the beginning of the end of the beloved series. Mischief Manage, almost. Number 4. Allison Tolman, born November 19, 1981, turns 43 in 2024. The actress wooed us in Fargo and continues to impress with her versatility. A star on the rise. Number 3. On November 19, 2007, Enchanted premiered, blending animation and live action in a fairy tale come to life. Amy Adams charmed us all, and we've been wishing upon stars ever since. Number 2. Drew Barrymore, at age 7, hosted Saturday Night Live on November 19, 1982, becoming the youngest host ever. She charmed audiences then and continues to do so today. Talk about starting young. Number 1. On November 19, 1998, A Bug's Life was released. Pixar's second film brought tiny insects to life in a big way. Ants have never been so entertaining. Thanks for joining us on this whirlwind tour of November 19th's most astonishing celebrity moments. If you enjoyed these fascinating tidbits, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Celebrities in History. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on more incredible stories from the past. Let's keep exploring the star-studded tapestry of history together.